Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
And a very warm welcome if you've just joined me on my channel, Nigel's View on Things. How you doing? How you keeping? Hope everybody's safe and sound where you are today. And what I would like to do is share some pictures with you. The pictures were taken from a mobile phone, my mobile phone, and all the settings are on auto. So I haven't changed no settings. You've got to bear in mind that the first photograph was taken at 5:07 AM and the last photograph was taken at 5:12 AM. So there's not a lot of time difference between all the photos that you're just about to see. The difference is what you can see in the sky. And first off, you can see there, yeah, well, to me it looks like there's two objects, but that's for you to decide. Two light sources, the sun simulator, is that the sun? And that's the sun simulator? Who knows? But you can tell me there's a cloud in front of it. Okay, not a problem. Let's do the next photo. So this next photo is literally a minute after the last one that I took. I just walked down onto the field and took a picture. So yeah, now our sun's getting just that little bit brighter very, very quickly. You notice we've got our object in the middle of the field. Yeah, well, if you look at the 7 o'clock position underneath the sun, we've seen this before as well, haven't we? I've shown it many times. And it stays stationary, it doesn't move, it doesn't act like an lens flare at all. We've got the petal effect around the outside, just there and there. And we've got this red lens flare, which we normally get, and it's got our dot in the centre. Just here we've got a new object that's appeared on the lens flare. Here again. And to the next picture. Now there's something a little bit more different to this picture. We've got the petal effect around the outside, and then you've got the red lens flare. And if you notice in the middle of the red lens flare, you've got a yellow dot, not a white dot like we normally get, but a yellow dot. So is this actually a reflection of our sun? I believe so. But there's also something else. You can see we've got our object up here, and then we've got this new lens flare that's just appeared. And as you can see, I wiggled the camera around, and we've got this point here. Quite strange. There's the centre. So that is one of the strangest lens flares I've ever seen. We've got our object here, this new lens flare that's appeared, petal effect on the bottom, and how bright this has really got very, very quickly. Next picture. And as you can see, this just looks like a way a projector projects. But, or is that just me? Anyway, yet again, nice bright sky. We've got our object underneath here, and we've got this new lens flare underneath here, and it is quite big. First time I've actually captured it. What it is, not rightly too sure. It's obviously got to be somewhere up there. And as you can see, the sun's really, really bright in this one. You make your own minds up. If you don't believe in the planets, well, that's down to you, really. There's so many channels now showing all different things, but yet again, it all adds up to the same thing. So, you know, you make your own mind up. I'm not forcing you to watch. Red lens flare, and right in the centre, as you can see, instead of being white, it's orange. And there you go. And there you go, we've got our orange dot right in the centre with the lens flare, and we've got that new lens flare in the background just there. As you can notice, we've got total white out in the sky, and because the sun's overwhelming the camera with the brightness, and we've got that purple lens flare. Is that part of this just here? I just thought it's quite strange. And yet again, another picture, and you can see how bright the sky is. So, what's actually happened, or it seems to have happened, we had our sun start rising as normal, and then we've got this, and as you can see, we've got chemtrails absolutely everywhere now. Yeah, very, very strange. So we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 anomalies in the same picture. Go figure. There has to be something in the sky that's causing that, and I think it's coming through in reverse through the sun simulator lensing system, or the lensing system they're actually using. And as you can see, picture after picture, exactly the same. How bright it is. The camera's starting to settle down here, but yeah, very, very strange. I think you totally agree. I'm moving the camera about to see if I can get different results. So don't forget, all these pictures were taken in a 5-minute time interval, and yeah, I just thought they were so strange I needed to show them. So is that first picture of our sun that you can see here, is that our real sun with the sun simulator? Just got to ask yourself anyhow. This was taken at 6:25. Let's zoom in, and you can see the, oh look, somebody at the door, and as you can see, it looks very, very strange. I'm just pointing it out to you. I'm not saying there's anything in it. And if we look at the two pictures side by side for comparison, and you can see they both got a cloud in front of them. Okay, we can argue this one, but I watched this for 15 minutes and it stayed exactly the same, or near enough exactly the same like that, while I was driving. I'm just saying, it's really, really strange. It's for you to make your own mind up, your decision. Me, I'm just pointing out what's in the sky. Thanks for watching, much love, much peace, catch you next time.